In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 powerful TradingView indicators that can help you spot reversals before they happen. Ride trends knowing exactly where to get in, where to get out, and when to stay away completely. They highlight high probability turning points and continuation signals. And when you combine them, you get one of the cleanest strategies I've ever seen. Stick with me till the end because I'll give you the exact settings and step-by-step rules so you can forward test this strategy today. Here's the plan. First, we'll go over each indicator on its own. Then I'll show you how to combine them for maximum effect. Finally, we'll jump into TradingView's replay mode so you can actually see how the rules play out in real time. To add the first indicator to our trading chart, first of all, open the Indicators tab from here. Now, the first indicator is called Support and Resistance Power Channel. We will add the one created by Chart Prime. Think of this like a smart scanner. Instead of you manually drawing levels, this indicator does the work and shows you where price has reacted strongly in the past. But here's what makes it special. It doesn't just draw zones, it gives each one a power score. That score tells you how aggressively buyers or sellers controlled that area. For example, if you see a green zone with a certain buy power, it means buyers stepped in heavily at that price before. When price comes back to that zone, there's a high chance it reacts again. On the other side, a purple zone with a certain sell power means sellers dominated. So when price revisits that level, you should expect resistance or at least a slowdown. Another thing, these aren't just flat lines. The channel shows a full range with highs, lows, and even a midline that often acts like a natural pivot or target. To reduce false signals, the tool even uses a 2-bar delay to confirm whether price has really broken in or out of a zone. Here's how you'd use it. If price is trending up but it's heading straight into a purple sell power zone with a score above 60, that's your warning. Momentum could stall, so it's a good spot to take partial profits or tighten your stop or open a sell position. Flip it around. If price is falling and it enters a green buy power zone with a score in the high 60s or 70s, watch carefully. If you start seeing rejection candles inside that zone, that's often a strong buy trade entry. In your trades, your stop loss just under the zone. And for a take profit target, you can select the next resistance above. So that's the first tool. It tells you where price is most likely to react. But knowing where isn't enough, you also need timing. That's where our next amazing indicator comes in. So let's add that on our trading chart.
Do you feel like everyone around you benefits from artificial intelligence, but you have no idea where to start? Don't wait any longer. Start today. Our free trading bot is simple to use, powered by artificial intelligence, and can earn you up to 1% profit every single day. Over 500 members have already joined. Click the link below now to get free access. This is your chance to harness the power of AI and take a step toward a financial boost.
The name of the indicator is RSI Momentum Divergence Zones Indicator. Search for it and add it up on the trading chart. If you've ever tried spotting divergences by hand, you know how easy it is to miss them. This indicator does all the heavy lifting. It automatically marks bullish and bearish divergences both on the RSI panel and right on the chart. A bullish divergence happens when price makes a lower low, but RSI makes a higher low. That's your clue selling pressure is fading, even if the chart still looks bearish. A bearish divergence is the opposite. Price makes a higher high while RSI makes a lower high. That tells you buying momentum is drying up. Here's the power move. You can combine it with the power channel zones. If you see a bullish divergence forming inside a strong buy zone, that's location plus timing lining up. Same thing the other way. A bearish divergence inside a strong sell zone is a big warning sign for downside. Let me give you some quick scenarios. Imagine market is dropping into a green buy power zone, scored at more than 60. At the same time, the RSI divergence tool marks a bullish divergence. That's your sign sellers are running out of steam. So you can open a buy position at this point. After that, the stop loss can be set just below the zone, and you can target the next resistance above. It's simple, easy to implement, and accurate at the same time. Or let's in another scenario say the market is in an uptrend, pushing into a purple sell power zone, and RSI prints a bearish divergence. Even if price is still climbing, that's your cue to take profits or even open a sell position, if you get confirmation. In ranges, divergences help catch short-term swings. Bullish at the bottom, bearish at the top. And the best part is you don't need to draw anything yourself. It's all marked automatically. Now for the final piece, this is where it all comes together. Let's talk about the final indicator I want to share with you. Open the Indicators tab again and search for the Mutinabe AI Fresh Algo V24. After that, add this one to the trading chart. This one is a full execution system built directly into your trading chart. It doesn't just say buy or sell. It gives you the entry, the stop loss, and multiple take profit levels right away. It's like having an assistant on your screen telling you, here's the plan. When Fresh Algo prints a buy plus or sell plus signal, it's not just a label. It comes with a predefined stop loss line and TP1, TP2, TP3 levels marked above or below. You can choose to take partials at take profit 1, scale out at take profit 2, or hold for TP3. It also has a multi-time frame dashboard showing the overall trend, volatility, and whether the market is trending or ranging. That way, you're not taking signals blindly. You know if the bigger picture supports the trade. Here's how you'd use it with the power channel. Let's say price drops into a strong buy power zone scored above 60. On our support and resistance channel indicator, you don't buy right away, you wait. A few candles later, Fresh Algo flashes a buy plus signal inside that same zone. Now you've got confluence. You've got the location from the power channel and the execution from Fresh Algo. Enter at the signal, put your stop where it's marked, and manage with the TP levels on screen. Isn't this amazing? Similarly, the rules and conditions for a sell trade are opposite. If price rallies into a strong sell zone and Fresh Algo drops a sell, plus inside, just like we can see happened here in this example, that's your confirmation. This approach is mechanical. The power channel tells you where big money levels are. The RSI divergence tool tells you when momentum is shifting, and Fresh Algo gives you the actual trade plan. Put them together and you cut down impulsive trades and act only when conditions are stacked in your favor. Of course, no strategy is complete without testing, and TradingView's replay mode makes it easy. Start by testing each indicator individually. Don't skip testing across multiple timeframes. What works on the 1 hour might behave completely differently on the 15-minute or 4-hour. The goal isn't perfection, it's to learn how the tools behave individually and together, so you know what to expect when you trade them live. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like and subscribe to Trading. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.